Hey everyone, it's Abby. The next part of my husband's Regency outfit are the accessories. The Black Snail pattern that I used for the linen shirt also had instructions for a couple of cravats and a stock. I'm also making a little pocket watch ribbon with a fob at the end. So let's get sewing. I'm using Black Snail Regency men's shirt pattern 521 for the cravats as well. I have blue and white cotton lawn that I found on Etsy for the cravats. Using my rotary cutter, I measure and cut a couple rectangle pieces. My fabric isn't long enough, so I will have a seam somewhere along the cravat. I will avoid right in the middle as that will show in the front. I pin and machine sew the blue cravat seam. I finger press the blue cravat seam, fold under the raw edges, and hand whip stitch the seam down. I hand stitch a tiny rolled hem along the whole edge. I cut a couple long rectangles of the white cotton lawn as well. I measure and cut an angle into the white lawn piece. I will be making this one longer to be able to tie into a bow. The blue cravat will be shorter to tie into a knot. I pin and machine sew the white cravat seam. I turn under raw edges and hand sew the white cravat seam. I hand sew a rolled hem along the white cravat edges. I double my white cotton lawn and line up the stock pattern piece. I cut out the piece. I cut out the stock lining and side pieces from linen at the same time as cutting out the linen shirt. I pin and machine sew the stock ends along both sides. I finger press the edges of the stock lining in on both long edges. I fold under the raw edges and pin. I hand whip stitch those down. Off camera, I add a rolled hem to two sides of the stock cotton lawn. I pin the rolled hem along one side of the stock lining. I hand gather the side of the stock and pin along the short side of the lining. I hand sew those gathers in place. I hand sew along the long pinned edge to attach the stock to the lining on both sides. I trim the corners of the stock ends. I turn both pieces right side out and finger press. I insert the gathered edges into the stock ends to encase the raw edges and pin. I hand whip stitch those in place on both sides. I figure out where the holes need to be for the stock buckle. I cut and hand sew the eyelets in. I attach the buckle to the eyelets. I'm using a matching synthetic ribbon to create a watch ribbon and fob. This is how my husband will be able to get his watch out of his trouser pocket. I seal the end of the ribbon with my lighter. I attach a jewelry hook to one side of the ribbon crimp. I crimp the metal on the end of the ribbon. I measure about 7 inches of ribbon, cut and seal the end. I attach the fob to the other ribbon crimp. I crimp this to the other end of the ribbon. And I have a nice little ribbon watch fob. And there we go! Some nice accessories to go with my husband's Regency outfit. He also bought a nice wool top hat, a pair of vintage braces, and some leather Regency boots. Thank you for joining me today as I made my husband some cravats and a pocket watch ribbon. We also took a look at the rest of the accessories that we bought for his outfit. Next up, I will be making the silk waistcoat. Happy sewing! Come here, Bee. Come here, Bee. There we go. Yes, hello. Hi, calm, 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 calm. Yeah. They're good girls. Okay. She's a good girl. Oh, the puppies. Oh, the puppies. Oh, oh, okay. You want a spot? Here's a spot. Here we go. There we go. Sit. Sit. There's a spot. You always need to pet toes from both hands. But I get to pet both girls. You're both very good, y'all. Oh my. Needy girls. Needy girls. Oh. Okay, let's get up.